Hello, and welcome to Top Rate Secrets, where we break down habits, mindsets, and crucial moments that transform individuals into $1,000,000 and also billion-dollar brands.
Our mission is to uncover how the top 1%, the world's most successful thinkers, creators, and empire builders, make decisions, think long-term, and build lasting wealth. From names like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett to lesser-known entrepreneurs and inventors with global influence, we decode what truly sets them apart. At Top Rate Secrets, every video is a strategic journey exploring financial thinking, successful habits, life philosophies, career breakthroughs, business models, crisis mastery, and long games that build legacy and power. We begin with deep research from incredible sources, craft professional scripts, record emotional voiceovers, and bring everything to life with dynamic visuals, transitions, and animated captions, all to deliver an experience that is engaging, digestible, and actionable.
You won't just hear a story, you will see a strategy, you will feel the mindset shift, and maybe you will start your own game. And if you are ready to level up your thinking and change your life, this is the place for you. And don't forget to subscribe to unlock the secret that they don't teach you in school, but the elite use every day.